Okay, if you can see that right there, that's the prison in Macau. So it looks like that's kind of a lookout tower. They're doing some kind of construction underneath the prison, so it looks like there's building some tunnels that'll go through it. And just to give you a little context, this is really remote. It's really hard to get to, but there's definitely stuff here. There's buses that come by as well that goes to the border. This is some new casinos here, and I'm going to explore that in some future videos coming up. Indoor skydiving, that's going to be building that right now. Line Friends Casa Amigo, we're going to check that out too. And then there's Morpheus, there's Lisboa Palace, and then a lot of other construction over here too that we're going to check out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. That we're gonna check out, but I wanted to start with this one, and maybe we'll just keep this one going. Since you can kind of tell, this is where the Cotai strip is at. I think they're gonna be constructing so they can get to the other side of the Kowloon Island, and it looks like we're in this whole other new construction area. So I think we might just take my bike that I've been riding around today and just kind of see what it's all about. But yeah, it looks like it's just pure construction out here. I haven't even been out here. It's I guess there are buses, but in some ways I kind of think of myself as documenting Macau, because all this stuff would be completely different in the future. But they're just building massive amounts of stuff. I don't know, maybe this is where they store the cranes and all their other heavy equipment. That's possible too. Dang. Whatever's come up ahead looks like it's like a landfill or something. I guess we're gonna find out about that too. And that's a view of our prison right there. So I guess you can see better prison, and then you can see it overlooks a factory. And okay, we're just gonna keep on going down. The factory is behind me. The prison is behind me. Lisboa Palace is over there. This kind of graveyard of construction equipment is over here. There's a factories, plural, over there. Prison, factory, another factory, industrial stuff, industrial waste, who knows what. It's like a little mess of stuff to try to navigate with the bike. So I don't know. They even got heavy equipment sitting around down here. So I'm gonna be navigating this on this little bike here. Anyways, another side of Macau. And I think way over there is a landfill, I think. Looks like it. Looks like I'm gonna run out of space here too. So I'm gonna have to either go around or try to get through that. And I just wasn't watching where I was going, so it could have been bad. All right, I guess we're gonna try to figure out a way to get over there and then do a video about that. So yeah, kind of some interesting context for you. Let me park the bike for a second. So yeah, it looks like that's a giant landfill, and I see all kinds of cranes everywhere. And Cotai Strip prison. All right, pretty cool little spot. You never know what you're gonna find. Watch out for that thing. We opted for that path just in case you're curious, so that wasn't too hard at all. It's pretty easy. Anyways, next video is going to be with this one.